had already battered up my chicken, and I already had it sitting in the seasoning. Now I am putting the cornstarch on the chicken to let it get that little thing. Now I'm going to do something I've never done before. I'm going to put it in some more batter because I'm trying to make extra crunchy chicken. So this part here I've never done before. I wonder if I should have just put this in a Ziploc bag. And as you can hear, my chicken is my stove is getting ready. So I should have been crunching some of these little. Oh yeah, there we go. Baby. Who is it? Who? Oh, it's a mean lady, mean.
Ramara, them ask you about carrying.
I think my chicken came out pretty good. I think it came out pretty good. Unfortunately, it's too hot for me to try it. I want to take a piece over to my mom. But I am dying for just a piece, just a little bite. Have to make sure it's not too seasoned for my mom to get a piece. So I'm just gonna take this piece here. Oh, beautiful. Oh, hot. Woo. Woo. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful. I'm waiting for my phone to ring, and I wish I didn't have to wait but so long, so I could just go drop my mother a piece of chicken and come back. Oh. Oh. This is delicious, boy. Girl. Well. Delightful. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.